Are batched orders worth it on Walmart Spark? Today we gonna find out. I got an order right here, $45.37, 18 orders. Oh my goodness, 28 miles. We're gonna go ahead and accept it, and I'm gonna see what's going on, because you know what? I've been wondering, you know what? Are these batch orders worth it? You know, is it a good, amount of dollars per mile, money per minute, all that good stuff? So look, we gonna accept this one. If I can get it done in 2 hours, that's $22 an hour. I'll be happy with that.
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's head on over to Walmart and see what's going on. Oh, and before we do that, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button. We just made it to Walmart. We're gonna go ahead, head over to the pickup section, which is right over here, and we're gonna get our batched Walmart order. Third work method is to multi-app, and that's exactly what I did. I did an Uber order on the way over here. We just arrived to Walmart. I'm in spot number 1, and the time right now is 2:06. We're gonna start the timer right now. I've checked in already. Let's see how long it takes to complete a batched order. 18 stops, 28, almost 30 miles on this one. Hopefully I can get it done in 1 hour. With it being 28 miles, now I know I do got a little bit of in and out of the vehicle. You know, a couple of things you gotta do on the phone as far as confirming when you get there and taking a photo. But I think I should be able to get 28 miles done within an hour. I mean, is that, I think that's reasonable, even with all the things you need to do with the delivery process. So we're gonna see. It's 2:06 right now. I'm gonna clock in, and I'm gonna let y'all know exactly what the time is once we get finished. And I think that's my big old batch right there. Look at that. That mug's huge. I think that's mine right there. If it is, it's all good, because this is a good miles to money ratio for a batched order on Walmart. Almost $50, and it's only 30 miles, so that's really good. Alrighty, we got our Spark orders in the car. Look, I got a couple back there. We got a trunk full of orders right there. Let's go ahead and get this money. First Walmart Spark drop off. This right here, it's gonna make order number 1. Ooh, look at all this snow, all this ice. I ain't seen that much ever in my whole life. Woo, almost slipped, but I ain't gonna trip. Order number 2, make it do what it do. Ooh, and we out. Order number 3, stop playing with me, bro. Let's get this money, come on. Order number 4, let's go. I ain't playing no more. This package is heavy as hell, but I don't give a damn. I gotta get this money. Hold on now. Oh, this is a nice house. Door, because I do not know. You finna find out though. Yep. Alrighty, set that right there. Take a picture. Where to go? Ooh, this food. Alrighty, we're gonna be downtown for this one. Our next delivery is right down the street, but we can have a nice little look at downtown Sioux Falls real quick. Well, hope I'm in the right place. Find out soon. There we go. Alright, 5th floor. I'm definitely not gonna be getting these done within the hour now. If I gotta find parking downtown, go up to the 5th floor. That may add a little bit of time to it. And it's done. And at least it's the weekend, I didn't have to pay for parking downtown. Downtown shop. Boys and Girls Club of the Sioux Falls Empire. This one right here gonna be order number 7. Order number 7. Order number 7 right here. I thought it was gonna be another apartment building drop off, but this one is actually just going to the leasing office, so we got lucky. Yep, this one is just for the leasing office, so we got pretty lucky. We're having some slight GoPro issues, but we got it dropped off. I'm gonna go ahead and confirm that one. And the time now is 3:36. So been on this order for an hour and a half, but I did have to stop and get some gas, and I do need to put some air in my tire. We're gonna keep it rolling though. If I see a gas station, I'll stop, I'll put the air in, and I'll keep it moving. All of this comes with the job, right? So that means I'm gonna count it all into my time. Probably gonna be able to be at the 2-hour mark and get this one done. That's still good money for that time period. And 11. Right, we got 5 more orders to go, and then we're done with this Walmart Spark batch. I think this is some type of automotive dealership, or they do some type of transmission work or something. Either way. You're right by the call box. Last Walmart Spark drop off right here. See that one right there. Snap a photo. Boom. What I gotta admit, I did some multi-app and I couldn't help it, man. Check this out. 4:45 is the time. That means I was on that Walmart Spark batch for an hour and 45 minutes. Not bad. But in that hour and 45 minutes, I was able to make $38 with Uber Eats in conjunction with my $47. So that's good money right there. So we're looking at about $85, maybe even about $90 after all the tips come through. But just for that Walmart Spark portion, I believe I would have been able to get it done within an hour, maybe like an hour and 15 minutes. But that's okay though, because I just wanted to show that you can do these bigger Walmart Spark batched orders and still make a good profit, get it done in a reasonable amount of time, and you can multi-app and get some other orders done in conjunction. My goal for myself is usually $100 per day. No matter what time I go out, I want to make $100 from the time I start to the time I stop. And I pretty much did that with this Walmart Spark batched order and with multi-apping. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang it up right there. Look, if you enjoyed this video, leave me with a like and a subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next.